Most people see oats as just a simple breakfast, but they're one of the most powerful foods you can eat. Packed with nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants, oats can improve your health in ways you might not expect. Today, we're going deep into 10 science-backed benefits of eating oats daily, and how this humble grain can transform your body and mind. Benefit 1. Heart health. Oats contain beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that helps reduce bad LDL cholesterol. Studies have shown that just 3 grams of beta-glucan daily can lower cholesterol by 5 up to 10%. This small change can reduce the risk of heart disease over time. Imagine adding a simple bowl of oats every morning. Your arteries are slowly clearing. Your heart is getting stronger. Benefit 2. Stabilizes blood sugar. Oats are low on the glycemic index and contain soluble fiber that slows sugar absorption. This prevents sharp spikes and crashes in blood sugar, making oats ideal for people with diabetes or anyone looking for sustained energy. Instead of feeling tired mid-morning after toast or sugary cereal, oats provide slow-release energy that lasts for hours. Benefit 3 is digestion. The fiber in oats not only stabilizes blood sugar, but also promotes healthy digestion. It feeds beneficial gut bacteria, improves bowel movement, regularity, and reduces inflammation in the digestive tract. Many people struggle with bloating or irregularity. Incorporating oats daily can gently improve gut health over time. Benefit 4. Weight management. Oats expand in the stomach, increasing satiety and reducing appetite. Studies show people who eat oats for breakfast consume fewer calories throughout the day. Adding oats to your morning routine can be a simple, sustainable weight management strategy without extreme diets. Benefit 5. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory. Oats contain unique antioxidants called avenanthramides, which reduce inflammation and may help lower blood pressure. These compounds neutralize free radicals, protecting cells from damage. Think of it as a tiny shield for your body, helping your heart, brain, and skin stay healthy. Benefit 6. Boosts energy. Oats are rich in complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly. Unlike sugary breakfasts that lead to crashes, oats keep you energized and focused throughout the morning. Students, athletes, or anyone with a busy morning routine can benefit from the steady energy release. Benefit 7. Skin health. Oats have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that improve skin barrier function. They're also used topically in many skincare products. Eating oats daily can help reduce redness, dryness, and improve overall skin health over time. Benefit 8. Supports immunity. Beta-glucans in oats enhance immune response by activating white blood cells. Regular consumption may help your body fight off infections more effectively. Benefit 9. Protein and muscle support. Oats contain more protein than most grains, supporting muscle repair and growth. Combined with other protein sources, oats can help meet daily protein needs. Benefit 10. Brain health. Oats improve blood flow to the brain, supporting cognitive function, memory, and focus. The combination of complex carbs and antioxidants fuels your brain efficiently. Oats are much more than just a breakfast food. They support your heart, brain, digestion, immunity, and skin health, while keeping you energized and satisfied. Incorporating oats into your daily routine is a simple way to improve overall health.